Hi, welcome to Dux-Soup. With our agency dashboard, it's quick and easy to onboard new clients. From your agency dashboard, click Add Session. Our wizard will take you through the step-by-step process. Click Continue. Enter your client's name so you can easily identify them in your dashboard. Your license key will auto-populate. Click Continue. You now need to log into LinkedIn using your client's login credentials. Click Open LinkedIn. You'll be taken to LinkedIn where you can sign in. Enter your client's email and password and click Sign In. Once successfully logged in, go back to your Dux-Soup agency dashboard. Dux-Soup will confirm it has detected a LinkedIn account. Click Continue. Dux-Soup will now start up your cloud session and log in, confirming when it is up and running. Click Continue. You have now successfully onboarded your session. You can now close the onboarding wizard and start your lead generation. You can manage all of your accounts from within your agency dashboard. To switch between accounts, just use the Switch Session button. Happy Duxing!